How to properly brush and floss your teeth. Have you been wondering how to keep healthy teeth? Today, we're looking into the best techniques for brushing and flossing your teeth. Whether you're a dental care enthusiast or just looking to improve your routine, this video is for you. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Oral hygiene is not just about having a dazzling smile, it's crucial for your overall health. From preventing cavities and gum disease to keeping your breath fresh, proper brushing and flossing play a huge role. In this video, we'll cover everything you need to know about brushing and flossing your teeth the right way. First, we'll walk you through a step-by-step brushing technique, and then we'll point out some common mistakes people make when flossing. By the end of this video, you'll have all the tips and tricks to keep your teeth in top shape. Let's get started. Before we jump into the techniques, let's talk about why proper oral hygiene is so important. Did you know that maintaining good oral health can prevent a host of issues like cavities, gum disease, and bad breath? But that's not all. Good oral hygiene has been linked to overall health benefits, such as reducing the risk of heart disease, diabetes, and even respiratory problems. Consistency is key when it comes to oral hygiene. Make sure to brush in the morning to start your day fresh, and at night to remove the day's buildup. Flossing daily is essential for cleaning between your teeth, which your toothbrush can't reach. Since you have waited to this very spot, kindly subscribe to our YouTube channel, and do not hesitate to turn on the notification button. Now back to business, here are the step-by-step brushing technique. Let's start with the basics. You'll need a soft bristled toothbrush and fluoride toothpaste. These tools are gentle on your gums and effective in cleaning your teeth. Start with the right amount of toothpaste. First, squeeze a pea-sized amount of toothpaste onto your toothbrush. Too much toothpaste can cause excessive foaming and might make you want to spit and finish brushing too soon. Angle your brush correctly. Hold your toothbrush at a 45-degree angle to your gums. This position helps clean both your teeth and gum line effectively. Gentle circular motions. Use small, gentle circular motions to brush. This technique is more effective than scrubbing back and forth and helps protect your enamel. Cover all surfaces. Make sure to brush the outer surfaces, inner surfaces, and chewing surfaces of all your teeth. Spend about 30 seconds on each quadrant of your mouth. Brush your tongue. Don't forget to brush your tongue. This helps remove bacteria and keeps your breath fresh. Time your brushing. Brush for at least 2 minutes. Using a timer or an electric toothbrush with a built-in timer can help ensure you're brushing for the right amount of time. Common floss mistakes to avoid. One common mistake is using too much or too little floss. You should use about 18 inches of floss so you have enough to use a fresh section for each tooth. Improper technique. Another mistake is not using the correct technique. Don't snap the floss into your gums. Instead, gently slide it between your teeth and curve it into a C shape around each tooth. Neglecting back teeth. People often forget to floss their back teeth. Make sure to reach all the way to the molars as plaque and food particles can easily get trapped there. Reusing the same section of floss. Avoid reusing the same section of floss for multiple teeth. This can spread bacteria and defeat the purpose of flossing. Use a clean section of floss for each tooth. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends and family. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and ring the bell icon so you never miss a video from us. Your support helps us create more content to keep you healthy and smiling.